Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we've super exciting much anticipated Tata Harrier EV 2025. Tata Motors is taking the EV game to the next level, and this electric SUV is their boldest step yet. So let's jump right in and see if it lives up to the hype. Exterior design. At first glance, the Harrier EV looks familiar, yet futuristic. It borrows its overall shape from the new ICE Harrier but adds EV-specific elements. The closed-up grille, sharp DRLs, and connected LED lighting at both ends give it a high-tech, premium look. Plush door handles, aerodynamic alloys, and subtle blue accents make sure it stands out as an EV. It's big, bold, and has serious road presence. Interior and features. Step inside, and it's a whole new level of modern. The dashboard design is sleek and minimalist. You get a large 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a full digital driver display, and a panoramic sunroof. The cabin feels airy and premium, with vegan leather upholstery and soft-touch materials all around. Tata's added ambient lighting, wireless charging, connected car tech, and a 10-speaker JBL sound system. Battery, range, and performance. Let's talk power. The Harrier EV is built on Tata's new Kamakhya platform and is expected to come with a dual motor setup, meaning all-wheel drive capability. The expected range? Around 500 to 550 kilometers on a full charge. It's likely to get fast charging support, with a 0 to 80% charge in under 40 minutes with a DC fast charger. Power figures are still under wraps, but it's rumored to make around 215 to 225 brake horsepower. Ride and handling. Thanks to its low center of gravity from the battery pack, expect the Harrier EV to feel more planted than its ICE sibling. The suspension is for comfort. Tailored for city, sport, and off-road conditions thanks to its AWD layout. Plus, regenerative braking will help maximize efficiency. Safety. Safety has always been a strong point for Tata, and the Harrier EV is no different. Expect it to come with up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, hill hold, and traction control. Tata might also offer ADAS Level 2 features like lane keep assist, autonomous emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control as seen in the facelift Harrier. Expected price and launch. Tata is expected to launch the Harrier EV around mid to late 2025, with prices starting around 24 to 28 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. Yes, it'll be priced higher than its IC counterpart, but you're paying for cutting-edge EV tech, AWD capability, and that massive driving range. And #128077 pros. Futuristic design and road presence. Long claimed range, 500 plus km. AWD setup for better control. Loaded with features and tech. And #128078 cons. Pricing might be premium for some buyers. Charging infrastructure still growing in India. Boot space may be slightly compromised due to battery packaging. Final verdict. So should you wait for the Tata Harrier EV? If you're looking for a powerful, practical, and premium electric SUV with serious range and SUV credentials, this could be one of the most exciting options in 2025. Tata's EV game just keeps getting stronger, and the Harrier EV proves it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more auto reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Is the Harrier EV your future car, or are you waiting for something else? See you next time.